how to change iPhone wallpaper. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper on your iPhone, and this is on your home screen or on your lock screen. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's actually really easy to change the wallpaper. The first thing we need to do is open up the settings on our iPhone. Once in the settings, scroll down to the second section and select wallpaper. And then in here, we have a couple different options. If you have different wallpapers set up, you can swipe through those. You can also customize your current wallpaper by selecting customize under that wallpaper and lock screen. But we can also create a new one, and that's what I'm going to do. So select add new wallpaper. It'll then bring up some options where you can use some featured images. They also have some pre-made ones such as astronomy and weather. These are cool. They change over time as the weather or time of day with astronomy, things like that. And then they have some creative ones below. You can also use your photos. You could use live photos, a photo shuffle, which shows you different photos that you've taken on your phone, kind of build a gallery. And then you can create your own over here with colors and stuff. I'm going to use live photo. So I'll select that. It's going to show me the live photos that are on my phone. So I'll select the live photo and then it will bring it up here. You can pinch and zoom with 2 fingers to change where the subject of the photo is at. Then at the bottom here, you have some options to turn off the live photo or you can turn it on. And if you turn off live photo, you can swipe between different styles. So if you want to have black and white or some different filters on it, you can do that as well. So after you've chosen your photo, you can set up widgets, you can customize the clock, then you can also customize the 2 quick buttons that are on your lock screen, such as the flashlight and the camera buttons. So once you're done, select add, and I'm going to set as wallpaper pairs so that my lock screen and my home screen have the same wallpaper. Then it'll bring me back to wallpaper here where I'm just going to scroll over to that one. And now when I go home, you can see that it is the wallpaper. It's blurred, but when I go to my lock screen, it is the picture of my dog. And that's how you change iPhone wallpaper. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.